Yeah, cool. I have lost my train of thought. Good thing we're editing this, hey? Good thing we're editing this because I can't remember what I wanted to talk about. G'day guys, welcome to the very first video of my Sacred Nile Candles YouTube channel. I created this channel like a year ago, and this is the first time that I have finally been able to sit down and create this introduction video. So as you can tell by the title, it's an introduction video. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about myself, about my small business and how I got into it, and what my plans are for this channel heading into the future. So basically, my name is Nina. I am the owner and creator of Sacred Nile Candles. I've been on YouTube for a very long time. I used to do a lot of hauls and unboxing videos. Once upon a time, I wanted to be a makeup influencer. Not anymore. I'm not really keen on that side of YouTube anymore, but that is okay. Instead, I want to talk to you about my small business, and I want to give you guys tips and tricks on candle making. So starting from the very beginning of finding supplies and all the way up to making a shop, making a website, and shipping them off to your very first customers. Basically, the reason I wanted to start this channel is when I first started, I think in 2020, so about 3 years ago, in April of 2020, I found it very, very hard to even figure out what kind of wax I wanted to use. And I think that is like the very first step, is figuring out what kind of wax you want to use. I had an idea for what I wanted for my business, what I wanted the aesthetic to be. And yeah, I just found it very difficult to get help. And I think the reason for that being was no one wanted to give away trade secrets. And I actually don't mind. I'm quite happy to give you guys trade secrets. I don't want to gatekeep anything. I figure, you know what? If you want to get into candle making, whether it's as a hobby, whether it's just as like a casual thing so that you can make candles for friends and family, or if you want to full on get into it as a business, I'm happy to help you do that. So that's basically what this channel is going to be about. And I'm really, really excited to actually start this channel. I think I'll also probably talk to you about fragrances as well, some of my favorite things. Because that's another thing I do as well. I create my own fragrances. I'm obsessed with perfumes and essential oils. And that's actually one thing that, so when I first started candles, I then was like, let's branch onto something else. And I wanted to do essential oils. I wanted to do perfumes, and that really took off. So that's really exciting. So we'll talk about that as well. But you know what? Let's start from the very beginning. Let's start with who I am. I can't recall if I have already introduced myself, but my name is Nina and I am 32 years old. 32. And I am from Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I am the owner and creator of Sacred Nile Candles. And the only way I can describe the aesthetic for Sacred Nile is kind of like witchy and mystic. Yeah, I think that's how I would really describe it. I am heavily influenced by ancient Egypt, ancient Greece. I absolutely love those long lost worlds, those long lost cities and cultures, and all things witchcraft. I'm really, really into witchcraft. I'm not like I would consider myself a witch, but I would consider myself a baby witch. I'm still very much learning, and I have been studying this craft for about 2 years now, and there is a lot. But I would still consider myself a newbie. And yeah, I really just wanted to translate that into candle making, and that is what has inspired a lot of my release. Yeah, and that is me, I guess. So this is going to be a big journey for me, getting back into YouTube, getting back into editing, figuring out how I'm going to show you everything, because I am going to show you everything, and I'm very, very excited. And I really hope that I can inspire you guys as well. So if you want to come with me on this journey, if you want to be a part of the Sacred Nile community, then please like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Please have a look at my socials as well. Have a look at my Etsy shop, see what I'm about, have a look at my Instagram, see what I'm all about, what Sacred Nile Candles is all about. See if it's something that you're interested in, and I would love to have you constantly on this channel with me. Like, come along with me, come along on this ride, enjoy my mother's craft studio, because that is where I am, and this is where I will mostly be filming. And yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you're excited too. And yeah, blessed be. I hope you have a great day, night, evening, wherever you are in this world. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And you guys have a good one. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye!